model some wonderful flowers. We can use the plus button to add a little ball and then tint the shape using the arrows. Now it's time to add the petals using a box shape. Shrink and after tint the shape. Move it in the right position and then model it pushing and pulling phase. Copy the shape 4 times. Rotate and move them in the right place. Now it's time to model the stem, so select the cylinder, tint it and move it. Perfect! Let's model a leaf from a box. Shrink the box, move it to the right position and then tint the shape using the arrow. Push and pull face and edges to create the leaf. Now let's create more flowers. We can copy some shapes with the clone button and move them in the right position. Let's create a different petal from a cone. We will use the same commands as for the first flower. Copy again stem and leaf to create a tulip. Choose a cylinder and model it, removing loop, pulling and pushing phase. You can scale it. Move it in the right position. We want more flowers in the lawn, so we can copy all the shapes and move them. The modeling is finished. Now let's color the flowers. Go to the Style It app. Use the bucket to color the shapes. With the brush button you can draw and decorate. Add the stickers to finish them. Now the flowers are ready. Let's insert the scene. Here it is, a lawn with wonderful flowers.